If I were starting my investing journey in 2025, here's exactly what I do to build wealth from scratch. No fluff, no gimmicks, just proven strategies that work. Now, whether you have $100 or $10,000 to invest, this guide will help make your money work for you. And be sure to stick around until the end because I'll reveal the number one mistake that destroys most beginner portfolios. So let's get right into it. All right, so before I invest a single dollar, I'd make sure my financial foundation is rock solid. And here's what that looks like. Step 1, emergency fund. I'd save at least 3 to 6 months of essential expenses in a high yield savings account. Why? Because if an unexpected expense hits, like a car repair or medical bill, I won't have to sell investments at a bad time. For example, if my monthly expenses are $3,000, I'd aim for $9,000 to $18,000 in cash reserves. I would then use a high yield savings account from Ally, Sophie, or Capital One to earn interest on top of that. Step 2, pay off high interest debt. If I'm carrying credit card debt with 20% interest rate, investing won't help me. Paying off that debt is a guaranteed return. For example, if I owe $5,000 on a credit card at 22% interest, paying it off is like earning a 22% return risk-free. And step 3, automate savings. I'd set up automatic transfers to my savings and investment accounts, making wealth building effortless. And you can use apps like our very own Smart Financial Blueprint budgeting app to help track spending and identify how much you can put towards your saving goals. Okay, so next, I'd focus on tax advantage accounts because they supercharge my investments. So if my employer offers a 401k match, that's free money. So for step 1, get the 401k match. And an example of this is, let's say my employer matches 100% of my contributions up to 5% of my salary. If I make $50,000 a year, that's $2,500 of free money. I'd contribute at least that much. Step 2, invest in a Roth IRA. A Roth IRA allows tax-free withdrawals in retirement. If I invest $6,500 per year and it grows to $1 million by retirement, I pay 0 taxes when I withdraw. And step 3, consider an HSA. Because if I have a high deductible health plan, I can invest in an HSA. It's triple tax advantage. Contributions are tax-free, investments grow tax-free, and withdrawals are tax-free for medical expenses. Okay, now it's time to invest. If I wanted a set it and forget it strategy, I'd go with the legendary 3-fund portfolio. The first is the total US stock market, which includes the Vanguard S&P 500. This gives me exposure to the entire US stock market, including companies like Apple, Tesla, and Amazon. The second is total international stocks. Investing globally ensures I'm not only betting on the US economy, as international stocks add diversification. And third is total bond market. Bonds provide stability when stocks are volatile. If I invest $10,000, I'd allocate 60% in the total US stock market, 30% in total international stocks, and 10% in total bond market. Listen, stocks are great, but I'd also diversify into other assets. One option is real estate. If I can't afford a rental property yet, I'd invest in REITs like VNQ, which pay dividends from real estate properties. Another can be crypto. If I'm bullish on Bitcoin or Ethereum, I'd invest 5 to 10% of my portfolio into crypto using platforms like Coinbase or Kraken. And another alternative can be putting some money in treasury bonds, collectibles, or startups through crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise. Alright guys, so if you made it this far into the video, here is the biggest mistake new investors make. Most people panic sell during crashes and FOMO buy when markets are high. Instead, I'd focus on long-term investing and dollar cost averaging. That means consistently investing a set amount whether the market is up or down. For example, if I invest $500 a month into VTI, sometimes I'll buy when it's high, sometimes when it's low, but over time, I build wealth steadily. And that's exactly how I'd start investing in 2025. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And as always, stay smart. Need help? Here at Smart Financial Blueprint, we offer one-on-one coaching services to help you map out your exact path to financial freedom. Whether you're looking for guidance on early retirement, building a business, and everything stocks related, feel free to book with us today by clicking the link in the description below.